Hello students, this session is about condition monitoring. As the name suggests, it is a monitoring of conditions of a critical rotating machinery. You know that all these machineries used in the industries are prone to wear and tear. So the monitoring should be properly done in order to find out if there is any damage or if there is any failure caused in those equipments. So condition monitoring helps to monitor the conditions of these all rotating equipments, and it also prevents a catastrophic failure of critical rotating machinery. So condition monitoring is a maintenance scheduling tool. That means you can schedule the maintenance work by using the condition monitoring. It is a maintenance scheduling tool that uses certain techniques like vibration, infrared, or lubricating oil analysis data to determine the need for corrective maintenance actions. Why condition monitoring is used? Condition monitoring is a management technique that uses regular evaluation of actual operating condition of the plant equipment, so many production systems and plant management functions to optimize the total plant operation. It provides the means to improve production capacity, product quality, and overall effectiveness of manufacturing and production plants. It can identify most of the factors limiting the effectiveness and efficiency of total plant. Next, we will discuss the techniques used for condition monitoring. They are vibration monitoring, thermography, tribology, in which there is lubricating oil analysis, spectrographic analysis, and ferrography. First of all, about the vibration monitoring, we know that all the machineries produces noise or vibration. So in vibration monitoring, the noise and vibration created by these machines or the plant systems helps to determine their actual condition. These techniques and instrumentation had proven to be extremely reliable and accurate in detecting the abnormal machine behavior. The program can be used to schedule maintenance on rotating, reciprocating, and most of the continuous process mechanical equipments. Vibration analysis can identify degrading machine components before serious damage occurs. The measurements can be taken on machine bearing casing with accelerometers. Thermography. Thermography is a technique that can be used to monitor the condition of plant machinery structures and systems. It uses instrumentation designed to monitor the emission of infrared energy, that is temperature, to determine their operating condition. An infrared technology is that where all objects having a temperature above absolute zero emit energy or radiation. Infrared radiation is one form of this emitted energy. Infrared emissions are the longest wavelength of all the radiated energy, and they are invisible without special instrumentation. The intensity of infrared radiation from an object is a function of its surface temperature. By detecting the thermal anomalies or the areas which are hotter or colder than they should be, an experienced surveyor can locate and define incipient problems within the plant. Tribology. Tribology is a general term referring to the design and operating dynamics of the bearing, lubrication, and the rotor support structure of machinery. Several tribology techniques can be used for condition monitoring, and these include lubricating oil analysis, spectrographic analysis, and ferrography. Lubricating oil analysis is an evaluation technique that determines the condition of lubricating oils used in mechanical and electrical equipments. A comparison of the amount of trace metals in successive oil samples can indicate the wear patterns of oil-wetted parts in plant equipment, and it will provide an indication of the machine failure. Using the scanning electron microscope of carefully taken sample of debris suspended in the lubricating oil, the instrument then reveals elements contained in that proportion, size, and morphology. Spectrographic analysis. It allows accurate, rapid measurement of many of the elements present in the lubricating oil. These elements are generally classified as wear metals, contaminants, or additives. Ferrography. Ferrography is another tribology technique. It separates particulate contamination by using a magnetic field. Because a magnetic field is used to separate contaminants, this technique is primarily limited to ferrous and magnetic particles. The particulate contamination larger than 10 microns can be separated and analyzed. Therefore, we have seen three different techniques for condition monitoring. Thank you.